Hi, my lovelies. I am so excited for some of the things you're going to do today. You are going to make the cutest little snowman. Look at how cute that is. Oh boy, is he cute. But to do that, we're going to have to be doing some cutting and doing some other things. And we're going to need to really take a look at our paper plate. And when we look at our paper plate, we're going to have to recognize the parts that are the parts concave that we eat off of, and then the part that is the back. Miss Fleming is here to work with you and to talk to you about the art project we're doing. She has everything all set ready, step by step. So let's breathe. I know you are ready to use new materials, to patience and listen to directions, because our goal today is working with a new material in a new way. So our paper plate's material we already know. I use paper plates all the time, but we're not going to use it to eat off of. So we're going to take this material, a paper plate, and use it in a new way, and we're going to have to pay attention to whether it's concave, so it's the front, or convex, which is the back. Those are big words. And we're even going to do some folding. So we're going to get those small motors ready to go. So give me those small motors, get them ready. In tight, release. In tight, release. We're going to do some great cutting. I can't wait for Miss Fleming to tell me all about how well you did when you make your really adorable snow creature pop up. It's going to be three-dimensional. Bye, my lovelies. I'll see you next week.